Hey, Junior Mark, we got some for your motherfucking ass.
Hey, yo. Jesus. Suckers down. So, as you guys know, Bismillah, I was saying I was on a search for a phone. And it was between a Samsung and an iPhone. And I was leaning towards, excuse me, a Samsung, yeah? But I went and bought an iPhone. Now the guys, they had me waiting for a while. And the reason being, because the colour that I chose wasn't in stock. But today, your boy just picked it up. Boom!
That's the big meaning.
There we go. Yo, G, bring it close now. So because I was thinking, you know what, I was telling you guys I'm going to buy a phone, and it's best that I record it. You know what I mean? So, excuse me for a second. Would you like to do the honours and open it up? Hold on. This part. I think you just put it out for me. That feeling, yeah. Yo. Bring Blah, bring it here. That feeling.
So satisfying to watch.
That is worth the price of this. And what? I'll let you do the honours. Supposed to give it a bit of style, like watch. He just picked it up. This is how you do it. Look. Put that thumb there. Boom. See that? See the difference? Not a boss. Old school, man. We're family, innit? Family. 1, 2, 3, slowly. Oh! That looks wicked. I'll bring this over here. Let me. Anyway, guys, yeah. So the color that I chose was the and they didn't have this in stock, so they made me wait for it. So now this is like the first time that I'm seeing it, because when they showed it to me, you know, it was all new pictures and stuff. So anyway, I'll give you the pleasure.
If it falls, it's your fault.
For those of you who are wondering what phone it is, it's an iPhone 11 Max Pro. Right? So I'll leave that on. So here it is. How the hell did you get it out?
Sorry, I turned it around.
You mophead. God, it's not bad. You know, say what you want about Apple, right? But everybody has their own personal preferences, isn't it?
Nice and cool.
So everybody's got their own personal preference. Some like Samsung, some like Apples, yeah. But yeah, so it really comes down to what you like. Now the reason why I chose this over Samsung was because the color. Seriously, the colour. I thought that was the only reason. Yeah.
No, don't put it like that.
Do I have to charge the phone for this?
It'll be like 50%.
Do you want to turn it on or not?
It's your phone, bro.
Turn it on, man. Okay, yeah, as I was saying, so the reason why I got this, I felt like this is the best phone out, and to get this bad boy set up, and then after that I'll use it for about a week in it, and then I'll let you know how I'm feeling it. So should we call it quits, the video? Anwar's having a hard time putting everything back in down. I think like this you put it wrong. This colour, Anwar.
Best colour on the iPhone.
Beautiful, I absolutely loved it. The one that I've got now, you'll see, it's the black one. Look at the fingerprints on that. I need to clean this bad boy. So they showed me all these colours and I was like, you know what? This one looks the best. This is the one that I went for. Even though it looks black, it's actually green. Bike around, you might as well set this bad boy up. Anwar, UK, quick start. Just go set up manually. Mine cheating though, Wi-Fi network. Yo, do I have to choose a Wi-Fi network? I don't choose any of these Wi-Fi networks.
You have to.
Should I just put my hotspot on? Should we just go home and do it?
Go home and do it. No, it's too bad. It's a brown paper here. Yeah. Look up everything in.
Take it. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go home and I'll set up the iPhone. But over here, man. So we're gonna call it quits. Yo, so guys, I just came back now and Anwar was telling me I forgot to show you what's inside the box. Should we show them what's inside the box?
Damn right. Alright, so then we have the leaflets. So show them the leaflets. So here, you know, all that good stuff and instructions and all that. And then we have the plug which you need to charge the phone, obviously. And then we got the earphones with, and then we got the actual charging cable which you plug into your phone to charge it. So this obviously goes to the charging hole and also known as the headphone jack. And then this bit goes into the plug, you charge your phone up. That's it. That's all that's in the box. Gee. Oh, almost forgot to show y'all my new purchase. You know, AirPods Gen 2. You know how we do it. Look, show them that. Yeah. Gee. I'm out. Peace. West side.
I hope you like that video. Like, share, subscribe, hustle hard, keep it real.
G's up.
Suckers down.
We close.